receive the challenge of the hacker.
Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Chillin' with the birds, smoking guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Can't take a jerk, you a cockamole. Guacamole, 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 guacamole. Used to rock a kin and knock a body. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Now what the bars wanna cuff 'em.
Hey, yeah, boy, I'm in the house now. Hey, I'm in the fuddy. G-Frey, remember that name. Kawaii, waddy. Right now I'm shopping at the Hoko. Soon I'm graduating to the waddy. Yeah, I'm moving up now. Ake. Sending shots better not be aimed at me, boy. All these tongue you with, go and have a T-toy. All them was just looking for the D-boy. I got a girl, so I hit him with the decoy. And I'm just so damn hearty. Might have to run game on your auntie. And I got a whole Modi EP dropping next week. You should get yourself a copy,
Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole.
Yeah.
Chillin' with the birds, smoking guacamole.
Yeah.
Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Can't take a jerk, you a cockamole. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole,
Yeah.
guacamole. Used to rock a kin and knock a body. Guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Now what the bars wanna cuff 'em mode.
Range tira. Nick Week fana. Range tira. Nick Week.